Welcome to the 5-Minute Break series here on my channel, Markets of Sunshine. I'm Marcia. Thank you for joining me here today. So welcome back if you are returning, and welcome if you are new to my channel. So I am working on the bird, finishing it up, and so I'm going to show you how I decided to add the little fuzzy top to this cute little bird. And I just went through my fibers, found what I wanted, and cut a section of it off, a couple of inches long. And then I'm just playing around, positioning it, scrunching it up until I get it the way that I want it. And then all I'm going to do is come in here with some small little stitches, and I'm going to stitch it all together and hold it into place. It's just that easy. It doesn't take a lot of maneuvering. It just is this, what do you want to do? How do you want to position it? Okay, so I'm going to play around with it. Okay, I like it. Okay, I like it more in this direction. Okay, so I rinsed off the stick and stitch paper, and so now I'm just down to the linen fabric piece. So just your tiny little couching stitches. Grabbing the fibers at different places to hold it down. And then I'm holding my hand on it to keep it in place until it is secured with the stitching. And I don't need a lot of stitches here because I want it to be kind of like free flowy. Look at how cute that is. Isn't that adorable? So now she has a cute little crown on her head. So fuzzy. She's such a cute little fuzzy thing, isn't she? Isn't it adorable? I love it. Okay. So I'm going to just give one stitch back here to this green area because I didn't get one here, and I can see a loose spot. Secured, then we'll move on to the tail. But look at how cute. And see how simple the stitches have become together, you know, and then when you start adding these extra little elements on, that's what really makes it all come together and look so nice. And you take it from just simple, plain, ordinary into that next level of just absolute fun, whimsical, cute, and absolutely uniquely you. Okay. So now I'm wanting to decide about putting on either like a nest. I was thinking maybe something back here, but I want to use instead of using, I'm deciding between two things. I'm either going to use this purpley fringe fabric, or not fabric, trim, as you see. But this stuff is like extremely messy to work with. The minute I start cutting it, it's going to just fall apart. I've used it before, and it is, like I said, it is extremely messy. So I was trying to figure out, did I want to come down here like this and have it sitting in a little nest, and having it looking like that? Or did I want to maybe use a different color? I believe I have a brown. Let me see if I can get it. Here is my completed 5-minute creative break. Oh, beautiful project for today finally finished. Isn't this adorable embroidery bird absolutely precious? This is what you can do with the kit as well. Look at all of these amazing things. And, you know, you don't need to spend hours and hours and hours at one time. You can just take 5-minute little increments out of your day, and then before you know it, this is what you wind up with. So I added a yo-yo, the vintage button, some seed beads here. I came in with a piece of lace underneath of the little foundation of the bird, some more trim and 2 different styles, and came around this corner here. And then I topped it all off with this beautiful embellishment down here. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So someone is really gonna like having this as a part of their new stash of embellishments, and the link will be in the description. So I'm so happy for you to be here with me. I would love to know, what do you think of how this adorable little birdie turned out, and would you be interested in making one of these also? So leave me that in the comments, and I will see you in tomorrow's 5-minute slow stitching creative moments video. And I'm going to be working on something brand new, which I've already gotten started a little bit, which is going to be a butterfly. So stay tuned for that and find out exactly what does Marcia do with that butterfly. Okay, so little birdie is going to fly back to her nest now, and she's going to be waiting for you if you're so inclined to be stitching with her. Have a wonderful creative stitching day. Bye-bye.